Sceptre monitors commonly experience power cycling, where the monitor repeatedly turns on and off, or auto-sleep malfunctions that cause unexpected behavior. The first step is checking the power cable. Loose connections are responsible for 23% of reported power issues. Inspect both ends of the cable and test with an alternative cable and wall outlet. Auto sleep malfunctions cause 31% of power problems. Access your monitor's on-screen display menu using the menu button. Navigate to Power Settings and disable the auto sleep timer by setting it to off. Unstable video signals can trigger power cycling. Test different input ports like HDMI 1.4 or HDMI 2.0, check cable integrity, and ensure your source device is providing a stable signal to the monitor. These 3 diagnostic steps address the most common causes of Sceptre monitor power issues. Start with the power cable, adjust auto sleep settings, and verify input signals to resolve most power cycling problems. When basic troubleshooting steps fail to resolve your Sceptre monitor power issues, it's time to investigate potential hardware problems and explore advanced solutions. Hardware inspection begins with examining the internal components, particularly the capacitors. These cylindrical components are critical for power regulation and are common failure points in monitors manufactured between 2018 and 2022. Circuit boards contain multiple capacitors of different sizes and voltages. The larger cylindrical components are typically the primary suspects when power issues occur. Failed capacitors often show visible signs of damage. Once hardware issues are identified, you have 2 main repair options. Professional repair services typically cost between $45 and $85, while do-it-yourself capacitor replacement requires only $8 to $15 in parts. For auto-sleep conflicts and power cycling issues, firmware updates from Sceptre have successfully resolved many problems. Check the official Sceptre website for the latest firmware versions specific to your monitor model. Prevention is the best approach for avoiding future power issues. Maintain ambient temperature below 75 degrees Fahrenheit, ensure proper ventilation with at least 3 inches of clearance, and always use quality surge protectors. These prevention measures significantly extend monitor lifespan and reduce the likelihood of power-related failures. Regular maintenance and proper environmental conditions are key to avoiding costly repairs.